Are you among the people who are currently facing this issue on TikTok? Like, you cannot see the people you follow when they go live on TikTok from your inbox. You know, when you are following someone on TikTok, you can be able to see those people when they are live. As you can see right here, they have a pic circle on their profile pic right here from your TikTok inbox. If you can no longer see them, keep this video to the end, because I'm going to share with you step-by-step guide how to fix this problem. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now guys, go to your TikTok profile and press up on the menu button. Make sure you press on the 3 lines up in the corner. Then guys, press on settings and privacy, and then scroll to the bottom and press on report a problem right here. Then guys, press on the searching space right here. Press on the searching space, and then make sure you type in your issue. Then guys, type in "I can't see people when they are live on TikTok" in my inbox, as you can see right there. Then guys, they will bring you this information. Scroll right here and press on "I can't find any live on TikTok" right there. Make sure you press on "I can't find any live on TikTok." Then press there guys. Now guys, TikTok will bring you this information. If you do what they have told you in this information right here and the problem doesn't get solved, make sure that you press, they will ask you right here, was your problem resolved? Right here, make sure you press on no. And then guys, you're going to press on need more help right here. Press on need more help right there. And then guys, make sure you type in that issue you're facing, the problem you're facing, and type in "Hi TikTok team, my inbox is not showing the people I follow when they are live. Please give me back the feature." Make sure you type in that and send. Later, TikTok will give you back the feature, but remember, it will not happen in one day. It can take a few days, a few weeks to a few months, but they will give you the option back. Don't forget to like the video guys, subscribe to the channel, don't be selfish, share it with the people who are facing this problem also. See you in the next video guys.